I just said drawing. I meant we'll be building a masterpiece in Monkey Blocks. Oh, you want to make a birthday party?
Sure, we need 15 cakes.
Wait, in our class, who's it closest to? Whose birthday is closest?
I think Mrs. Bernhardt. 3.
No. All right, this
Right.
is gonna be
The ladder.
see you guys when we are done with the table. I'm good.
Are you sure? Because I got all of these.
Oh, dang. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, we will see you in part 2.